Do you think you could play this? What about this? And this? If you can play this, then you can already play hundreds of your favorite songs on the drums. If you can't, don't worry. I'm going to show you how in just 30 days. 30-Day Drummer teaches you to play the drums by playing with real music every day for 30 days. All you have to do is press play and play along with me.
What, like now?
Yes, you ready?
Not really.
Each day, you'll get a new 10-minute workout that builds your groove and coordination. You'll start by learning basic beats and fills. And by the end of the month, you'll have the skills to play hundreds of your favorite pop and rock songs on the drums. And if music theory scares you, don't worry. There's no theory and no homework. Every Saturday, we'll have a live Q&A where you can ask me your questions. You don't even need a drum set to participate. You can take 30-Day Drummer with just a practice pad and sticks. 30-Day Drummer starts this September and enrollment is open now. Click the link to save your seat and I'll see you on the first day of class.